to my channel. I'm Jennifer. This is A Country Life, and I am over at Emily's. There's a lot going on here. You guys are going to hear a lot of noise. Little kids are not used to having to be quiet. But we are starting off our baking day. It is a baking and cookie making day. So we just have bags and bags of stuff, and we are going to be starting off with melting chocolate.
Oh, hello. You can only really tell at night.
Oh yeah, that's super.
Not sitting on the counter. Let's get our spot at the table, and then we're going to get the pretzels out.
That works great.
4 dozen.
Okay.
We just gotta cut. Just gotta.
We're gonna put a good
The first thing, yep, first thing.
So you're putting peanut butter.
We're gonna make
between,
like
and
a
then,
sandwich, kind of.
Okay.
And then are you dipping those in chocolate? Then?
Yep.
What peanut?
They're really good.
They're so good.
It looks so good.
That looks about right.
Is this something you made growing up?
No, my aunt makes it every year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey Emily, this is done. Yeah, those look good.
We also have pretzel rods. Those are going to get dipped into, I think, both white and the dark chocolate, right? Right, Emily?
From the side.
We have all kinds of things. Sprinkles, so this is going to be fun. We have all these sprinkles. I'm especially excited to try this. This is an edible dust gold. So we're going to spray that because we also have some of these Oreos. Well, you know, double filled.
Take a picture of it.
We are taking a picture. And then we're going to spray some of this on the chocolate when it's all done. Give it a little festive look.
I want
Hand me a pretzel.
Yeah, Emily has this great idea.
We're gonna start with the pretzels easily, okay?
Here we go.
Oh, that is awesome.
Oh yeah, that actually worked really well.
And so then
And do
she's
you want me
going
to
to
set
put
them
it
down?
somewhere. I would think so. Set
And then
it,
they
and
can
then we'll
sprinkle.
and then they can add. Yeah.
No, me.
I'm dipping, and then you get to pick your sprinkles.
Gingerbread.
Okay, I don't have mac and cheese easily. Do you have peanut butter and jelly?
I'll be scary.
Okay, I can do that. Here.
I just have a baby scary.
Have you ever dipped these in the white chocolate, or just chocolate?
Yeah, so she.
Hold on to the bottle.
Well, buddy, do you want an orange with lunch? Cold?
I found just the job for Joe. He is helping us get ready to make the, what do we call those? Like peanut butter cup cookies? Maybe?
Yeah, hot. Yeah, pal. Or chocolate. Pal.
All right, so what is happening now is we just made the, oh, he forgot to take the paper off of that one. Can you imagine biting in it? A little piece of paper.
That'd be awkward.
We had Joe deal with the peanut butter cups, and there's been a few that he forgot to take the paper off. Okay, so what we did is just, I made up the dough from that little package that I bought at the store. I just made the dough exactly the way it said. And then I just put like a small amount into each one of these. I did spray them. And what did we do? We baked them at 350 degrees for about 9 minutes they were in. And now we're just pushing the peanut butter cups into them.
Oh, yeah.
So, and that's really easy.
Oh, my gosh.
Amber told us not to like bake these too much. Otherwise they get too dry. We also have taco soup going down over here, so we've got that happening amidst the cookie making.
It's like April Fool's cookies. Yeah. You never know what you're going to get.
Well, I know, I pushed the one in, and I was like, why does it look so different? What are you doing, Amber?
I measured out the peanut butter for the peanut butter balls. So that was 2.
Dad's favorite. Are these your favorite too?
Yeah, they are one of my favorites.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like Dad's favorites are kind of my favorites too, because Spritz and peanut butter balls are like my favorites.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't have like a Spritz thing that I need. I want to buy one to like make them myself.
So this recipe, peanut butter balls, what page is this on? And is this
69.
cookbook? 69, what
Second
cookbook?
one. Second cookbook.
Volume 2?
Volume 2.
I have butter.
I know, I forgot you had brown butter.
Oh yeah. We gotta brown the butter.
Okay, brown butter.
I have 4 tablespoons that I just put in the fridge that are like open. If you need that.
Well, for these, it's just peanut butter and vanilla and some corn syrup, right?
And vanilla wafers.
And are the vanilla wafers in it or just rolled in it? I forget.
It's crushed, and then you reserve a 1/4 of it to roll it in.
Right.
Because then it like mixes it well together.
So then in a little bit, she's gonna crush up these vanilla wafers and add that to this also, and then roll them in vanilla wafers. Now, if you want these to be festive, you could, with the vanilla wafers, the rolling in, you could put like some sprinkles or some colored sugar, but I don't.
That's a smart idea.
It would be cute, but if you want Dad to like these,
No sprinkles.
no sprinkles. Just don't mess up anything that he already likes, right?
Yeah.
And that's a good thing. I mean, it makes it very, very easy to
Put this on the table.
to make things that he likes. Anyway, so here we go. This is
1 teaspoon of vanilla. I guess I could use that same.
all of these are over here too.
Oh, that'd be
See
so
right
much
there?
better, yeah.
There's a bunch of. Emily just set out everything so that we kind of had it. All right, pretty soon I'm going to take these out because these need to cool all the way, but I don't want to stack them until all of the chocolate and peanut butter set up completely. Out here in the garage on the freezer, we have everything chilling down, all of the chocolate dipped things that we made. So lots and lots. Aren't they beautiful? Those are so pretty. And then of course all of the pretzel rods that the kids did.
Oh yeah, you can use that too.
When you can't find a rolling pin, sweet potato's the next best thing.
This is the paper towel holder.
Oh, there we go. That might work too, huh?
That's better.
Emily had to take a phone call, so we just have to like improvise on tools when we can't find what we need.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 3 days straight of Christmas. Yep. And then the weekend will be Christmas again.
I added now way too much powdered sugar.
No, you didn't. Oh, okay.
Really nice olive oil.
Nice.
Good job. Double chocolate
Peppermint. Something.
Double chocolate peppermint cookies are happening right now.
Hors d'oeuvres.
It sounds like hors d'oeuvres.
We have game night tonight. Oh my gosh.
What is game night?
Friends are coming over for games.
Tonight?
Tonight.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna play code names, I think.
I don't know what that is. All right, tell us what
Such a fun game.
tell us what you're doing here, Emily.
I'm making peanut butter blossoms.
What are you getting out?
My hand mixer, because I don't have. Because Amber was
Oh, that's
using
a fancy container.
I know, isn't it? All right, do you want like twist ties?
This recipe is in cookbook number 2, right? Is this number 2? Yes, cookbook number 2 on page 67, peanut blossoms. It's a recipe my aunt Lorraine always made growing up. Always, always. The last pan of cookies just came out of the oven, so we have the peanut blossoms. Yep, and we just have to let them cool. They actually take a little while. We might. You know what we should do?
So long.
We should put these on a cookie sheet. This whole thing on a cookie sheet and put them out on that freezer so they get cold faster out in the garage.
Well, they're all dirty.
Well, I'm going to wash them.
Okay.
Perfect.
Now is the fun part. We are dividing up everything that we made.
Only 2?
And of course sampling.
Oh yeah.
Sampling a few things.
Like 2.
This is a brand new recipe. Those are very, very good. When Amber opened up the bag of what I got, which was called peppermint chips, it actually had white chips, chocolate chips, and then like little peppermint pieces. I think next year we would rather not have the white chips in there, right? Just go with chocolate chips and then the little peppermint pieces in the cookies.
Mama.
But the dough is very, very good. And then, excuse me, what do you need to say, honey?
I want to go by my mom.
Oh, you want to go by your mom? Okay, let me get you down. So we are just dividing things up, and like Emily's making a tray. Oops. Emily's making a tray there.
Right here.
And Amber is making a tray over here. Kind of separating things a little bit. We are home now with all of our cookies, and of course I was thinking, oh, these are all going to be cookies for Christmas and everything, right? Well, guess what? Everyone, we got home, Warren's like, did you bring home some cookies? I was like, of course. So we opened them up, and this is what we have going here. So we had just kind of packaged everything up in some varieties and whatnot and brought things home. So I did want to point out, before I wrap up the video, the chocolate, all chocolate, melting chocolate, is not made equal. My daughter-in-law brought chocolate, both the white and the dark chocolate here, from Piggly Wiggly, and I believe the brand written on it was like Ambrosia. And I remember my mom actually using that chocolate. I hadn't seen that in a long, long time. But anyway, she picked it up from Piggly Wiggly because her aunt said that is the best kind of melting chocolate. And I have to say, it really is. Let me see if I can dig through here. Where'd those go? Maybe I can dig through this one. Okay. I had gotten this from Fleet Farm. I also got the milk chocolate, and these melted fine. These melted very nice. They got very runny, so that when you dipped, then the chocolate would drip off and you wouldn't get, you know, so, because you don't want it so thick. But I also got the milk chocolate ones, and they did not melt well at all. We melted and melted and heated and heated and heated, and we finally ended up adding some shortening to the milk chocolate wafers, and we were able to get it good enough. And if we look at some of these, I wonder if we can tell the difference between milk. I'm not sure if I can tell the difference right now, you guys, between the milk chocolate ones. Oh yeah, I can. Okay, down there, that is a dark chocolate one, and this here is a milk chocolate. But anyway, I just wanted to point that out, that the chocolate, the melting chocolate that was called Ambrosia, worked really, really well. The chocolate that I got from Aldi, the melting discs, I think they call them, melting, these white melting wafers that I picked up at Aldi, we never even opened. We didn't need those open. So, but just for what it's worth, Ambrosia was the best melting chocolate. I will have recipes typed out in the description box below. We really only have 1, 2, I think 3, 4 actual recipes. Otherwise, it was just melting chocolate and dipping and putting sprinkles on. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and you got some ideas for making some cookies and candy for your holiday trays. And with that, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.